Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gore Guitar. I'm having fun with this song from Scorey called Love Died. And you know what? This is Wish Wednesday. So you wish for songs, and I bring them up here on Gordon Guitar. So thank you, all you Gordoners, for supporting me here, you subscribers who follow me. And yeah, I like to interact with you, so it's nice to have people asking for songs. I bring them up here on Wednesdays, and this time we have you, IJW999. I think that's your name. You wished for this Scorey's Love Died. So yeah, we have a couple chords to learn, and this melody that is pretty much the main thing here in the song. So hope you will enjoy this, IJW and all you Scorey fans. Let's go. We have the capo set on the 3rd fret. All right, so with that we have a couple chords to learn, so let's go over the chords first. We have the C here, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next is the G chord, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have this transition chord, I will call it the A minor B. Doesn't matter what I call it, that it's just the grip we need, so that will be 2nd on A, and then open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so there you have the different chords. So before we go into the chord and strumming all that, we'll look at the main part here, and that is actually the melody. So I'm gonna give the notes chord by chord. It starts with C. It goes like this. So you hit the 3rd fret on A string together with 1st B, then 1st B, 3rd B, and open E. We come now into the G parts, G section, and that will be played like this. So that is 3rd fret on E string together with 3rd B, then 3rd B again, then open E, and 1st E. Then we have the A minor part, and it goes like this. So that is open A together with open E, and then 3rd E. Then comes this A minor B, and that is 2nd on A, and then 1st B. And then we end with the C again, and that is like this. So that is 3rd on A and 3rd on B. So there you have the melody. I'm gonna play it through for you from the beginning till the very end in a slow tempo, so you really hear what's going on. Let's go. Any standard tempo, something like this. Yeah, I know I slipped some on the end there in the first round, but anyway, you know this melody, so I think you understand what's going on here. This is the main part here, but you can also switch it up with a strumming pattern. So let's go back to the C chord and grab that one. One strumming round will be down, down, clap, down, down. So, okay, so that is down, down, clap, down, down. Okay, a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. So you're gonna play C 1 round, then G 1 round, then A minor 1 round, and then you will play the A minor B, just the down down, and then you shift to C and play also again just the down down. So the ending there was down 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 down, and then again you start the next round with the same chord, the C. So slowly it will be like this. And you can go back again to the melody. And mix it up a little bit with the strumming and notes. And that's great. That's what makes songs great. When you can do this, in my opinion, to play around a little bit with it. You have the tools now, so good luck with this one, especially you, IJW999, and all you Scorey fans. So thank you for watching here, and feel free to wish for future Wednesdays. And yeah, I'm signing out. Play tuned.